At the heart of southern Africa lies a wilderness like no other, Kruger National Park. Nearly 20,000 square kilometers of breathtaking landscapes where the ancient rhythms of life play out just as they have for years. But among the marvels of Kruger, one creature captures the imagination like no other, the symbol of the raw power and untamed freedom. Deep in the heart of South Africa's Kruger National Park, the king of beasts, the African lion, a symbol of power and strength, thrives in the most largest protected wilderness areas. Kruger is home to over 1,600 lions spread across powerful family groups known as prides. A pride is more than just a group of lions. It's a close-knit society led by dominant males and bonded by strong females who hunt together, raise cubs, and defend their territory. During the heat of the day, lions can be found seen resting, playing, and strengthening their bonds. Playful cubs wrestle and chase each other while the adults lounge in the shade, conserving energy for the night hunt. The behaviors aren't just entertaining, they are vital lessons in survival, preparing the young for their future roles with the pride. As the sun sets over Kruger Savannah, the pride awakens. Roars can be heard echoing across the plains, making their territory and reminding every creature that this land belongs to the lions. Witnessing these majestic animals in the wild is an unforgettable experience, a reminder of Africa's untamed beauty and the importance of protecting these incredible predators for generations to come. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and don't miss an opportunity to see the next video coming out.